Hey, can I get those cookies, please?
Turn on a stove.
Turn on the stove.
Melt butter.
Melt butter.
Turn off the stove.
Turn off the stove.
Weigh sugar.
Weigh sugar.
Sift flour.
Sift flour.
Smash 3 eggs.
Smash 3 eggs.
Knead the dough with a mixer.
Knead the dough with a mixer.
Roll out the dough.
Roll out the dough.
Cut out forms.
Cut out forms.
Bake cookies in an oven.
Bake cookies in an oven.
Decorate cookies with cream and sugar drops.
Decorate cookies with cream and sugar drops.
Good. Good.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Great.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.